This is the best scalping strategy you are looking for, especially if you want to be trading only gold. This should be the best scalping strategy you should adapt to. Take a look right here. I placed a trade, okay? So it's as little as 0.05 and I was able to scalp about $32. How many pips is that right here? That's about 7 pips, so right? 7 pips. Yeah, that's about, okay, let's just say it's 6 pips. That's about 6 pips. All right, I was able to scalp 6 pips. So how was I able to scalp this? And take a look right here. You can see there's still another one running, but this one is just a normal trade, while the other one was a scalp. Take a look. I placed sell, and if you look straight right here, you see for the father immediately the market hit my position. That's my sell limit up there. It started falling down. Immediately it hit my sell limit right there. So what did I do differently now? So this is what I did differently. So I wasn't even in the market when my take profit got hit. So I was asleep when this particular take profit got hit. So this is the exact strategy I used. So all I use right here is what we call the demand supply zone, or the rally based rally zone, or the drop based drop zone. That's what I normally use for my scalping strategy, mainly on gold. I love gold. And one thing you should know, gold is very, very volatile. So a small move can blow up your account. So if you have like $10, you shouldn't use anything less than 0.01. If you have $100, you shouldn't use anything less than 0.1. Okay, the reason why I'm saying this, if you use any high lots bigger than that, you might even blow up. Take for an instance, this is 0.05, and you can see how far particular this particular trade have gone. This is running in about 200 pips or 250 pips or so. All right, so this is it. So let's just calculate the pips right now. So if we calculate the pips just to know how long this pips has gone, so this is running about 317 pips right here, or 320, 325 pips. This is running right now. So imagine from this point to this, like how many candles did it even take us to capture 375 pips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Only 5 candles it took us to get 325 pips. Okay, let's say if we had about 0.01, we should be making $10, right? I mean $300 plus, right? So that's it for this particular one. And now move back to the strategy. Like I said, rally based rally, drop based drop. Okay, so an example is this. What is even rally based rally? Rally based rally is a type of demand and supply zone whereby the market it goes up, and it rally, it does a sideways trend a little, then push again, does a sideways trend a little, push again. So and that's what's been happening right here in gold. So and gold is on a bullish trend right now. So I had to take my horizontal line. I took my horizontal line and placed it here, this place, at the week. So I already know that once the market come to this place, there's nothing that's stopping it from retracing, unless there's a high impact news at that very point of time, one like NFP, CPI, the US CPI. Okay, so when trading, you have to be familiar, you have to be very close to your calendar, have your calendar as a backup just to take note of the fundamentals. Because if you don't do this, news might take you unaware. One like the biggest news, NFP, CPI, and Fed interest rates might take you unaware and blow up your account. So this is what I do, and you can see for yourself. I was able to place it this way, and boom, what happened? Guess what? The market just came, hit it. Look, it's like it didn't even pass my trade. I didn't place stop loss for this because I trust this process. I trust the strategy that is going to play out. Though no strategy is 100%, but trust me, with this strategy, you'll go a long way scalping gold only. Oh my God. So now I just allowed it. The market just came, hit it, and started retracing. So where did I place my stop loss, my take profits? So I had to place my take profits at the nearest support. Okay, so I placed my take profits. Let's just bring this thing here. I placed my take profit right here at the nearest support, this point. So what happened? Boom. The market came, hit it, and what happened? Started moving back up. How did I even know that this is the point it will get and it will stop moving forward or downward? So let's just go to a smaller time frame so as to see the clear part of it. You can see that it just got to it, just passed it a little, and boom, started moving back up. This is the power of this particular scalping strategy. So most of the times I'm correct. Okay, you can see if we allowed it to get to this point, we would have made approximately $40. That's about 8 pips. Yes, that's about 8 pips right there. Abi? Yes, that's about 8 pips. Or no, that's about 80 pips. Yes, that's about 80 pips right there. Okay. So if we come here now, you can see for the fact that's about, okay, this is about 60 pips. This is about 60 pips, not 6 pips. Sorry for that. This is about 60 pips right here. So yeah. So I hope this particular video is helpful. I hope you'll be able to get all it takes. I mean, you understand this perfectly well. So you can see right now we are floating on $300 in profit. I can just close this up right now, okay? So that's how it goes, and that's how you can scalp gold successfully with this particular strategy, okay? So if you are watching this, congratulations to you. Adapt this particular strategy right now and start making money, okay? So see you in my next video. Bye.